You're not lazy. You're addicted to easy. And that one truth explains almost everything about your life right now. Because think about it. You don't wake up wanting to fail. You don't plan to waste your day. You don't say, yeah, today I'm going to ruin my future. But somehow, it keeps happening. You wake up with good intentions, and by the end of the day, you've done nothing that actually matters. Scrolling, waiting, avoiding. And then you tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. But tomorrow keeps moving. And this is where it gets uncomfortable. The problem isn't motivation. The problem is your brain. Your brain is designed to keep you safe, not successful, not disciplined, safe. And safe means easy. That's why you grab your phone instead of working. You skip the gym. You choose comfort over growth. It's not weakness, it's programming. But here's the problem. The world you live in is built to exploit that. Apps, food, entertainment, everything is designed to be fast, easy, addictive. So now you're not just fighting yourself, you're fighting systems designed to keep you distracted. And most people, they lose that fight every day. Let's be honest, it's late at night. You're in bed, phone in your hand. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes. Then suddenly it's been an hour, then 2. Then you feel it, that quiet guilt, that voice saying, you did it again. And now you're tired, frustrated, disappointed, and you promise yourself, tomorrow will be different. But it won't be, not like this. You think you need motivation. You think one day you'll wake up feeling ready, disciplined, focused, driven. But that day doesn't exist because motivation is a feeling, and feelings change fast. If you rely on motivation, you will always stop. That's why you keep restarting again and again and again. So what actually changes everything? Not motivation, not willpower, environment. Because your environment decides your behavior. If your phone is next to you, you will scroll. If distractions are everywhere, you will get distracted. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your environment. And this is where everything changes. Start simple. Not perfect, simple. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking. Make your environment harder to fail in. Put the phone away, remove the apps, change the setup. Do one hard thing early. Just one. Because that one action builds momentum. And momentum is what you've been missing. There are 2 versions of you. The one chasing comfort and the one building control. One stays stuck. One moves forward. One reacts. One decides. And every day, you vote for one of them with your actions. If you don't change this, nothing changes. Same habits, same results, same life. A year from now, you'll still be saying, I need to get my life together. But if you do change this, everything shifts. Your focus, your energy, your confidence. Because discipline isn't punishment, it's freedom. Freedom from distraction, freedom from regret, freedom from starting over. You're not broken. You're not lazy. You've just been trained to choose easy. But you can train yourself to choose better. And that changes everything. You're not lazy. You're distracted. Your brain chooses easy. Your environment controls behavior. Motivation fades. Discipline is built. Small actions create momentum. Momentum creates change. Comment, I'm done choosing easy, if you're serious this time. And if this hit you, subscribe, because this is where you take your life back.